Welcome to Top Num Up. Looking for the perfect furry friend for your household? Here are the top 20 dog breeds that are absolutely ideal for families. Known for being loyal, loving, and great with kids. Let's count them down. Labrador Retriever, gentle, loyal, and patient. One of the most popular and family-friendly dogs. Golden Retriever, affectionate, smart, and friendly. Great with kids and other pets. Beagle, small to medium-sized, playful, and gets along well with children. Poodle comes in standard, miniature, or toy. Intelligent, hypoallergenic, and great for families. Cavalier King Charles Spaniel, loving and gentle with children. Perfect for cuddly family moments. Boxer, energetic and protective, yet affectionate and playful with kids. Bichon Frise, happy, sociable, and hypoallergenic. Thrives in busy households. Collie, smart and loyal, great watchdogs and gentle with kids. Irish Setter, energetic and friendly, ideal for active families. Newfoundland, calm, patient giants, often referred to as nanny dogs for children. Vizsla, loyal and gentle, they form strong bonds with all family members. Boston Terrier, friendly and low maintenance, great for city families. Bernese Mountain Dog, large and affectionate, known for being calm and sweet with kids. Cocker Spaniel, gentle, loyal, and loves playing with children. French Bulldog, adaptable, low energy, and loves cuddles with the whole family. Border Collie, very intelligent and energetic, thrives in engaged, active homes. English Bulldog, easygoing and loyal, perfect for families with relaxed routines. Australian Shepherd, highly trainable and playful, great for families who love the outdoors. Soft-coated Wheaten Terrier, friendly and happy, with a soft coat and cheerful personality. Mutt, often incredibly balanced and loyal. Many make perfect family pets. Whether you've got toddlers, teens, or a whole crew at home, there's a perfect pup for every kind of family. Which breed fits your home best? Let us know in the comments and subscribe to Top Num Up for more pawsome rankings.